Hello, it's me, it's Inessa Mini TV. Now, I would like to share with you how to clean our toilet, our small toilet. And what are the best products to use in your toilet so that make it smell fragrance and no chemicals. So, the best product I can use in our toilet, our small toilet, is baking soda and vinegar. So, let's begin to clean our small toilet. Start. Our toilet is too small. This toilet is very old, so I only just make some, I put some wallpaper here, and then I put some fragrance. So, before I will start to clean our small toilet, so first, I will take out the mist or the small things inside. So let's begin to take out. This toilet is very old because I'm not living here before. Just I live here just a few months. This is the baking soda. So first, just I put like this, the baking soda on the floor, just like this. So I pour like this all. So the floor also I put like that, and then so like this. So it's also inside the bowl I put some baking soda also, make it like this. So like this. So I put some baking soda, put some vinegar inside, like this. So if you see, there's a bubbles. It's acidic. And then on the floor also, I put some vinegar on the floor. And then we put some water. Yes, water. So we put some water. So just wait 10 minutes, just 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can brush the floor. The floor comes like this. the same is design. The wallpaper is very old, so it's nothing to do, just to change the wallpaper. But my husband said no need to change for now. So all is finished. We can wipe up again. We can mop the floor. So I wash the towel by hot water, and then I squeeze very dry. So that's it. So you see, now it is very dry. So but that's not finished. So the floor is clean. So we can make the finale. First, I guess flash, and then cover it like that. So you see our old toilet. So the floor is just like that. It's a design. So but not it finished. And then I will put it back again, the things that I take out. So now it's finished. It's done. Because and here no bathroom, only for toilet. So sorry guys, our wallpaper is very old. For now, we don't change. You know, I just only put this one to hide the dirtiness, and then I put some essence, the candle. So just let the candle about 20 minutes, and then I will close it, and then after 20 minutes I will stop the fire. So I will switch off the light, and then I will close the door. So after 20 minutes I will stop the fire. So we must close the door so that the smell, the essence of candle just inside the toilet. So that is guys. Thank you so much.